This video shows how to make whole grain vanilla bean sugar cookies using the drop cookie method. Scale into a small bowl 180 grams of stone ground whole wheat cake flour or flour of your choice with 3 grams of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix to combine the dry ingredients and set the bowl aside. In another larger bowl, scale 175 grams of cane sugar with the seeds of a vanilla bean and rub the seeds into the sugar using your fingertips. Then cream the sugar with 115 grams of room temperature butter with a small spatula. Then mix in 1 whole egg and 5 milliliters of vanilla extract vigorously until well combined. Then fold in the remaining dry ingredients, but do not overmix. Next, use a small scoop to portion the dough into 10-gram portions. Chill the dough for a few minutes if the drop dough is too soft to form into a ball. Then roll into cane sugar to coat the entire outside surface and spread them out evenly on a lined baking tray. Bake in a preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius oven for 8 minutes. If you like a soft and chewy vanilla bean cookie, they are done when they are flat and look slightly undercooked in the center. But for a crispier vanilla bean sugar cookie, cook for an extra minute or two. Stored in an airtight container, the cookies will be at their best for about 2 days, but the portion cookie dough balls can be frozen and baked fresh as needed.